Happy first channel anniversary to me. Please make sure to subscribe to me, also known as the Plotagon Video Maker Animations 2004 on YouTube today. And please also make sure you have clicked on that notification bell button so you never miss out on a single new video.
The Plotagon Video Maker Animations 2004 Enterprises Inc. presents Dark Manbuddy Rants on Stella the Fidget Toys and Baby Alive fan / grounded. And it was requested by Stella the Fidget Toys and Baby Alive fan.
Hi, I am Dark Manbuddy, and today, I am going to rant on Stella the Fidget Toys and Baby Alive fan. Here I go. Stella the Fidget Toys and Baby Alive fan. What? No, more like Stella the Garbage Dumps and Baby Dad Disposal. Oh, my God, this user sucks. This user makes videos about herself. She has 45 subscribers, and she joined YouTube on August 4th, 2020, which is 11 days before Patrick joined YouTube. She says she has another channel with 1,000 subscribers, which I don't believe. She also makes unwanted videos that I hate about fidget toys and other stuff. She made angry messages and exposures to the singing guide as well. That's all I have to say about this user. Do you know who likes this user? Her fans that watches her video, and do you know who hates this user? Me and all of Manbuddies. End of rant.
Oh, Dark Manbuddy, how dare you rant on Stella the Fidget Toys and Baby Alive fan. You know she is a great user. That does it. You are grounded for 185 years. Go to bed right now.
Wah.